Hi guys, welcome again to Learning TWI, the fun way, with TWI Junior Pro. My name is 𝘠𝘰𝘵, and for today's lesson, we have two people that needed something translated, and the very first person that needed something translated was Jossiah. Jossiah, thanks again for your continuous support. And these are the things that Jossiah wanted to know. The very first thing that he wanted to know was, your break is over, go and resume work. Again, your break is over, go and resume work. And that in TWI can be said as, 𝘸𝘰𝘰𝘰𝘬 kotoa w'adwuma so. Again, 𝘸𝘰𝘰𝘰𝘬 kotoa w'adwuma so. Slower. 𝘸𝘰𝘰𝘬 kotoa w'adwuma so. So literally translated, 𝘸𝘰 is you're done. 𝘯𝘰𝘵 is your rest. Kotoa is continue. W'adwuma is work. So is basically continue your work. So again, 𝘸𝘰𝘰𝘰𝘬 kotoa w'adwuma so. Now the next thing that Jossiah wanted to know was, there's nothing wrong with it. Again, there's nothing wrong with it. Now that in TWI can literally be said in two ways. Now the very first one can actually say that is, Biribiara nsɛe wɔ ho. Again, Biribiara nsɛe wɔ ho. One last time. Biribiara nsɛe wɔ ho. Slower. Biribiara nsɛe wɔ ho. So if you say Biribiara, you're saying nothing. Say is wrong. Wɔ ho is with that specific thing. So literally translated, you're saying there's nothing wrong with that specific thing. Or you can say 𝘤𝘰𝘰𝘬, which is it's fine. So basically everything is fine with that specific thing. So again, Biribiara nsɛe wɔ ho. The last thing that Jossiah wanted to know was, Maame will cook when she returns home. Again, Maame will cook when she returns home. Now that in TWI can be said as, Maame bɛnua aduane sɛ ɔba fie. Again, Maame bɛnua aduane sɛ ɔba fie. Slowly. Maame bɛnua aduane sɛ ɔba fie. Very, very slow. Maame bɛnua aduane sɛ ɔba fie. One last time. Maame bɛnua aduane sɛ ɔba fie. So Maame is mom. Bɛnua will cook aduane food. Sɛ if or when. Ɔba they come. Fie home. So again, Maame bɛnua aduane sɛ ɔba fie. Jossiah, thanks again for your continuous support. The next person that needed something translated was Daniel. Daniel, thanks again for your continuous support. And these are the things that Daniel wanted to know. What did you eat? Again, what did you eat? Now that in TWI can be said as, 𝘠𝘰𝘰𝘬𝘴. Again, 𝘠𝘰𝘰𝘬𝘴. Again, 𝘠𝘰𝘰𝘬𝘴. One last time, 𝘠𝘰𝘰𝘬𝘴. Now the next thing that Daniel wanted to know was 1 hour. Again, 1 hour. Now that in TWI can be said as Dɔnhwere baako. Again, Dɔnhwere baako. Slower. Dɔnhwere baako. One last time. Dɔnhwere baako. The next thing Daniel wanted to know was, why is that you ask the same questions? Again, why is that you ask the same questions? Now that in TWI can be said as, Adɛn na worebisa nsɛmmisa koro noa. Again, Adɛn na worebisa nsɛmmisa koro noa. One last time. Adɛn na worebisa nsɛmmisa koro noa. Slower. Adɛn na worebisa nsɛmmisa koro noa. So literally translated, Adɛn na is why or how come. Na ubisa, do you ask? Nsɛmmisa, questions. Koro, that specific or those specific questions, or in this case with that one question. Noa, continuously. So again, Adɛn na worebisa nsɛmmisa koro noa. The next thing Daniel wanted to know was, why did you leave it here? Again, why did you leave it here? Now that in TWI can be said as, Adɛn na wogyaa no ha. Again, Adɛn na wogyaa no ha. One last time. Adɛn na wogyaa no ha. Slowly. Adɛn na, which is why or how come. Wogyaa, did you leave? Wogyaa, did you leave? Noha is here. So again, Adɛn na wogyaa no ha. The next thing Daniel wanted to know was, I am tired of. Again, I am tired of. Now that in TWI can be said as, Mabrɛwo. Again, Mabrɛwo. Slower. Mabrɛwo. One last time. Merebɛko. The next thing that Daniel wanted to know was, I am leaving soon. Again, I am leaving soon. Now that in Twi can be said as Merebɛko sesiara. Again, Merebɛko sesiara. One last time. Merebɛko sesiara. Slower. Merebɛko sesiara. Or you can say Merebɛko sesiara. Again, Merebɛko sesiara. Or you can say Merebɛko sesiara. The next thing that Daniel wanted to know was, sometimes it happens. Again, sometimes it happens. Now that in Twi can be said as 𝘸𝘪𝘵𝘰𝘯𝘪. Again, 𝘸𝘪𝘵𝘰𝘯𝘪. Again, 𝘸𝘪𝘵𝘰𝘯𝘪. The last thing that Daniel wanted to know was, I feel discouraged. Again, I feel discouraged. Now that in Twi can be said as Biribiara nsɛe menkoran bio. Again, Biribiara nsɛe menkoran bio. One last time. Biribiara nsɛe menkoran bio. Slower. Biribiara nsɛe menkoran bio. Guys, that's it for this week's lesson. Okay. Guys, yeah, I came to say goodbye too. Okay, go right ahead. So guys, remember, if you love the content of the channel, right, please click on like button, subscribe button, and bell button for future notifications. And guys, thanks again for your continued support. Jossiah, I really appreciate you. Daniel, thanks again, you're amazing for your continued support. Guys, remember, if you want to learn Twi quicker, right, please go get the Twi Junior Pro app. It's on what? Google Store. With that and these lessons, you learn Twi quicker. Guys, with lots of love from me, Kwesi, and myself here,